Hi students, today we are going to discuss the chapter Visualizing Solid Shapes, 10th chapter. Okay, first of all we know there are two types of figures in mathematics, that is two-dimensional and three-dimensional. Okay, three-dimensional solids and two-dimensional figures. Look at in this table given three columns. In first column the shapes are given. For example, look at the first one. This shape, what is this one? This is a figure, square, right? Two-dimensional figure. Can you tell me about others? So the second one is cone, right? This is a cone. That is, cone is three-dimensional, right? Then what about next one? It is a cylinder, right? Cylinder is three-dimensional. And next one is triangle. Triangle is two-dimensional, right? Next cube. Cube is three-dimensional. Next one, circle. Circle also two-dimensional. But next cuboid is three-dimensional, and also sphere is three-dimensional, right? Yes. So now if you have a solid. If you have a solid, this solid we can preview the solid. If you look from the top, we can take the top view, right? Then if from the side we will get its side view, and from the front we will get front view. Look at the two views, so the three views of this solid brick. Brick is a cuboid, right? So look at this. It is front view and side view, top view. Look at this. Now we can take another solids made up of cubes. First solid made up of three cubes. Look at this. So its top view will be look like this, right? Then front view, side view. Just look at the other examples also. Top view, side view and front view. Look at the third one. Its top view is look like this, front view is this, side view. Okay. Now just take same question. Look at this first. These four solids. Look at these solids all made up of unit cubes, right? Look at the first one. You have to identify which one from this 1, 2, 3 is top view, side view and front view. Look at this first one in A, question A, option 1. Option 1 is which view? Yes, it is the top view, right? And this is the front view, and this one is side view. Side view and front view are same. Just like this, you can identify views of other solids also. Look at carefully. Then for C, you identify the front view, side view and top view. These are all about views of a solid. Now we look at this. This one we know this is cuboid, right? Here cuboid. So how many faces for a cuboid? Look at this. This cube, this is a cube, okay, right? So what is this? This plane surface is face, right? How many such faces for this cube? Yes, 6 faces, right? 6 faces. And what is edge means? Edge means this one, right? These are the edge. Now how many edges will have? Yes, 12 edges. Then vertices. Look at these vertices are marked here. Vertices and also corners. How many? 8 corners. Okay. So cube and cuboid we have discussed. Cube and cuboid have same number of faces, edges and corners. Okay, right? So the next solid. You already know this. We have seen many things in this shape. What is this? Cylinder, right? Cylinder. And you have to identify how many faces, edges. Then look at this next one. What is this? Yes, this is cone. This is a cone, right? So you can see many things in this shape of cone. So it's a familiar thing. That's ice cream cone, right? Yes. Then another solid is sphere. See, sphere, we have seen many things like football. Okay, okay, this sphere. So how many faces? Only one face. Is there any edges? No edges and no corners for a sphere. Okay, what about this figure? This is hemisphere, right? How many faces? Two faces. 1 2. Okay, but one face is curved face, right? Yes. What about the next one? Next is a pyramid. Okay, you have seen this pyramid. The pyramid you can see in Egypt, right? Yes. So this is the outline of this pyramid, right? So how many faces? Yes, 5 faces, right? Yes. And you have to find how many corners and edges for this. Next one is prism, right? Prism. You can see a glass prism is given here, and find how many faces, edges and corners for this. The next is solid. So these are the important solids we have discussed. Okay, now we take this all solid in a common name. So look at this. What is polyhedrons? Look at the given figures. All the faces of these solids are made up of polygon, right? Polygonal regions. Okay, look at the first pyramid. Its all faces are triangles and one face is square. All are polygons, right? So here also polygons. So if a solid is made up of polygonal regions, which are called its faces. These faces meet at edges, which are line segments, and the edges meet at vertices, which are points. Such solids are called polyhedrons. Look at this. These are called polyhedrons. So we can see these are polyhedrons. Look at this first one. And these are not polyhedrons. Why these are non-polyhedrons? Why these are not polyhedrons? The second group. Because their faces, some faces are not polygons, right? Faces are not polygons, curved faces. But here no curved faces. Look at the another category. Convex polyhedrons. Okay, what is convex polyhedrons? This non-convex polyhedrons. Look at this. First group, convex. Okay, look at these corners comes outside. Here some corners and edges goes inside. Look at this, regular polyhedrons. What is a regular polyhedron? Regular polyhedron faces are made up of regular polygons. Okay, so look at this one example. Cube. All the faces are regular, that is square, right? Look at some other examples also. Tetrahedron. This is tetrahedron. All the faces are congruent triangles. Here look at this. Octahedrons. Here all faces. Icosahedron. These all faces are congruent triangles. Here look at this. All faces are regular pentagons. So this is called, what it is called? Dodecahedron. Okay. Now we go for the next point. Euler's formula. So here Euler's formula for polyhedrons. What is this? V minus E plus F is equal to 2. Means if you take any polyhedron, number of vertices minus number of edges plus number of faces always equal to 2. So we take some examples. Look at this square pyramid. How many faces? 5 faces. How many vertices? 5 vertices. Then edges are 8. So just add the number of faces plus vertices. 10 minus edges 8. So answer is 2. So take another one. Triangular prism. Faces 5, vertices 6 and edges 9. 5 plus 6, 11 minus 9, 2. You can go through more examples. Triangular prism, pentagonal prism, regular tetrahedron, pyramid on a quadrilateral base, pyramid on a pentagonal base, pyramid on a hexagonal base, regular octahedron. Look at this, all number of faces, edges, vertices are given, their relation. Okay, this all satisfies Euler's formula. Okay, these are the important points from this chapter, visualizing solid shapes. Okay.